Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we will solve this question. So let's start with today's video. So we have an expression 3 power x over 1 plus 3 power x equal 2 by 5 and we have to calculate the value of 81 power x over 1 plus 81 power x. So let's start. So to solve this we have our step 1. 3 power x over 1 plus 3 power x equal 2 over 5. So we are going to substitute it. In place of 3x, I'll assume a. So I'll write a in place of 3x. So what it looks like, a over 1 plus a equal 2 over 5. Now I am doing cross multiply. So 5 goes to this side, 5a, and here 2 plus 2a. Now take the a terms together, 5a minus 2a equal 2. So 3a equal 2 by 2 and a equal 2 by 3. Value of a is 2 by 3. Now comes to step 2. In step 2, here 81 power x over 1 plus 81x. So I can write 81 as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 power 4. So in place of 81, I can write 3 power 4. So it looks like 3 power 4 over 1 plus, because 4 and 81 has power x also. So power x over 1 plus 3 power 4 whole power x. Now we know the power rule of exponent, that x power a power b, we can write it as x power ab. And if x power has b and whose power is also a, we can write it as x power ba. So both are same, as we can see here, AB and BA. That means these are also equal to each other. X power A power B equal X power B power A. So I can write it as 3 power X power 4 over 1 plus 3 power X power 4. Now we have the value of 3 power X that we assume as A. So I can write a power 4 upon 1 plus a power 4. Now we have the value of a also. So I can substitute. So 2 by 3 power 4 over 1 plus 2 by 3 power 4. So I can write it as 2 power 4 is 16 over 3 power 4 is 81. Here again 1 plus 16 over 81. I can take the LCM, 16 over 81 over 81. Here 81 plus 16. So 16 over 81 over 97 over 81. When we have 4 numbers and fractions, so we can multiply these inside number with inside and the outside with outside. So we can write it as 16 multiply 81. This is 81. 16 multiply 81 over 81 multiply 97. We can eliminate this 81 with 81 and we have the value 16 over 97. So for this expression, 81 power x upon 1 plus 81 power x, the value is 16 over 97. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.